guys, mabuhay! So this is Jen, so Mark isn't here, but I've decided to make something for this afternoon. So for today's video, I'm gonna make glutinous rice cake. Actually, this is my very first time doing this. I'm not really certain, or I'm not so sure if I'm gonna make it correct or I'm gonna make it right. But I just watched this video in a YouTube. Yeah, of course, our best friend is YouTube, and I think the name of the YouTube channel is Tiongzan Recipe. So I'm going to use her recipe, so I'm not so certain, but of course, first of all, I would like to thank her for giving me an idea on how to make, yeah, glutinous rice cake. So I'm gonna show you how also. So this is how it we start. So let's have here like I think 1.5 cup of glutinous rice. Then let's add the desiccated coconut, that is 100 grams. Then let's also have here 8 grams of baking powder. And we do have here also 8 grams of vanilla sugar. This is vanilla sugar. And we do have here this is here butter. So ayan. So let's just and 50 grams of sugar, and let's just mix it. Yay! Okay, it's done.